Hello everyone! Today I'm going to make this airplane. Here, look. It's very beautiful, right? But this one is 14 feet. We have used those, all of this. So let's do it right now. Okay, let me see. Okay, we need this white. And then we need this. Stick it like this. Like this or like this. Okay, look at the side like this. Look at the side like this. Okay, and now I'm going to use this. Stick this one. You see? Okay, now I'm going to make another step. And another, and another. Okay, now I'm going to use this. Now I'm going to use this and put it in. Okay, now let me see. I'm going to use this and and stick it up here. Let me see. Huh. Okay, I understand. Over here, and there's one another, and stick it over here. Okay. Now next, I will use this, and I stick it over here. Quite tight. Okay, now I'm using this and whoa, it's a good idea. And there's one here, and I'm gonna stick it. Okay, I'm finished. Now let me see next. Okay, now I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna stick it over here. Okay. Okay, let me see next. Okay, let me use this one. And then I stick it over here. Oh, whoa. Next, I'm gonna use this. And where should I put? Put here, right? Okay, let me see next. Okay. Okay, put it like this. Okay. Okay, next, I'm gonna use this. Stick it over here. Okay. Now, okay. Okay, now next one. I'm going to use this, stick it in here. Okay, next I'm going to use this and stick it over here. Okay, next I'm going to use this and I put it where? Okay, I know. Okay, here, like this, right? Here, down here. Look at this side. Whoa, where is it? Oh, here. You have to take this and put it in here. Okay, now let me see. Okay, stick this one over here. Oh, this one. Stick it here. It's two. Like that. We are making the head. Next, use these. Here. Like this. See? Okay. Where? Oh, up here. Now I know. using this. No, not this. Using this one and this one and this one. Later, I hope we will use this one and this one and this one. Now I understand. I really understand because I make it first you. But my dad don't make a video. Let me see under here. Okay. Okay. I knew it. Okay, I will use this one. Stick it. Oh, please, come on, stick in. It's too tight. Okay, I hope we just finished. Okay. Okay. I knew it just wasn't going to work. Okay, now let me take this one over. And now I'm going to stick it over here like this, okay? Now let me see. Okay, the last one. I'm going to take the others to make it tight. No? Okay. I knew it. I just do it already. Okay. Oh, I see. This one go here. And you know what next, right? Stick this one over here. And another. And another. Wow, we just... Hang on a second. Okay. Wow, his look is so cool. I look now is this very cool. Oh, I remember. Now I really remember. Okay, now I know what's going to be next. This one here. And this one here. And the last bit of all. This bit here. Finish. You see? We just finished up those. Whoa. We can spin. Here, I will give you a look around. Just hold a minute. Here. Whoa. Whoa, everyone. Now I'm going to teach you how to play it. This wheel will very easy to spin. Do you know why? Here, I'm going to show you. Just one over here is half well, one side over here and one side over here. We have to use this side here, and this circle will stick into over here. And now this circle, you see this? It has two over here. One over here and one over here. And if you use this side and you sting it to over here at the circle, if you're stinging it, they're going to very easy to spin. And this side, we're going to stick with this circle. And that is the secret how to make this wind do it. Now, here, this is how you play. Here, and I'm going to try my mouth to blow wind, and you're going to take a look about this wind that we're going to spin. See? It's very spin. You see? This one is very work. And you can take the fan and have a tiny bit of chest. And my fan have a tiny bit of sound like at the plane, so I can play at my home. And my home is have enough room to play this play. Okay, that's the end of my video. Remember, click the bell and subscribe my video and watching more video. Bye!